Well, so many students, they have desired to know as to who is a professional and what is professionalism. दोनों में फ़र्क क्या है? तो इसको ऐसे समझते हैं कि जब हम एक डिग्री बैक करते हैं, यानी कि a particular set of technical skills or academic skills, and on the basis of that, उस academic qualification के basis पर हम we bag a degree and we become academically qualified or professionally qualified for a particular job, right? This is as simple as that to understand. Now, this course that you are doing, right? It could be a traditional course, or it could be a vocational course, or a professional course, whatever it is. So once you have done that, you become professionally qualified for a particular job in that stream related to that industry. ठीक है? अब हमने उस particular knowledge, उस particular skill को इस्तेमाल किया कि अब हम उस इंडस्ट्री में जाएं और एक जॉब को बैक करें. Now, once you are utilizing your set of skills, knowledge, expertise, excellence, to do a particular job and to earn or make a source of income out of that, you become a professional. ठीक है? It's as simple as that. अब सवाल होता है कि हम प्रोफेशनली क्वालिफाइड भी हैं, हमने एक जॉब भी बैक कर ली, हम एक प्रोफेशनल भी हो गए, लेकिन क्या ये गारंटी कर रहा है कि हमारे अंदर प्रोफेशनलिज्म भी होगा? No, not at all. Because professionalism is an entirely different concept. It is an independent variable. I question you. आप अपने साथ वर्क प्लेस पर क्या लेकर जाते हैं? अपनी डिग्री तो आप नहीं लेकर जाते, बिकॉज उसके बेसिस पर तो आप ऑलरेडी वहां पर हैं. What you take with you is your whole persona. What you take with you is your personality, your value system. You take with you your behavior, your character traits. You carry with you your inclination towards attitudinal change, your ideas, your knowledge, right? So, professionalism is your competence. Professionalism is your knowledge. Professionalism is your, being conscious, right? It is your thoughtfulness towards that company. It is your integrity. It is your respect. It is your value system. तो बहुत से लोग सोचते हैं कि प्रोफेशनलिज्म का मतलब है एक तरीके से बात करना, एक तरीके में अपने आप को सेट कर लेना, एक तरीके से ड्रेसअप हो जाना, राइट? नो, आई थिंक एंड इट इज अ फैक्ट दैट प्रोफेशनलिज्म इज मच मच बियॉन्ड दैट. हाउ इफेक्टिवली यू कम्युनिकेट विद अदर्स, what strong qualities do you have in you as a team leader? You don't need to be a productive employee for the company. You need to have a thought process which is very unbiased, and you're working and thinking on the lines that leads to the development of the organization or the institution. You don't have that prejudiced mind, because you have to work as a team leader. Whether you're a team leader, you're not a team leader, but you need to have that attitude, that team spirit in you, that you're working together in the benefit of that organization. तो बहुत बार ऐसा देखा गया है कि लोग प्रोफेशनली क्वालिफाइड हैं, वो प्रोफेशनल भी हैं क्योंकि वो उस नौकरी में हैं, लेकिन प्रोफेशनलिज्म इज मिसिंग. सो वी नीड टू एनहांस आवर स्किल्स टू मास्टर दिस आर्ट ऑफ प्रोफेशनलिज्म.